taking all my blanket off. She just pulled all the blankets off me. That's just rude, Stella. That's just rude. You're very cute. Should we get up? Okay. Okay. I made a smoothie. Blueberry, strawberry, peanut butter, and banana.
She's watching the golf cart.
I know. Stella's obsessed with golf carts. Whenever our friends come over, with one she tries to jump on and go with them. It's very funny. I've been working on the living room. Though it doesn't seem like it. My hand is like raw from scrubbing. It's taking a long time. It's a painful process. Thank you. Such a good cleaner. Oh, I'll hold this too. Can you hear Stella? That's her energy levels this morning. I need to take her on a ride. Good morning. Sorry, I have a new vlog. Stella went off by herself this morning and met a new friend and was at their house for 30 minutes playing, wrestling. So she had a good morning. It's funny because whenever she would get scared, she'd run to my neighbors, but she knows them. The dog lived right behind them, so she'd run over to our neighbors that she knows and would hide when she got scared and then like to check in and then go back into play. So yeah, that's what she's done this morning. I'm getting ready for the day. I'm using this CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I found this product from the Instagram account, Things I Bought and Liked, or Things I Bought, yeah. That's what it's called. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I just started using it, so I'll get back to you on that. And then next I'm gonna do vitamin C serum. So I was playing with the loofah, like from a shower. She thinks it's a toy, so it's hers now. It's pretty funny. I need coffee, desperately. Still woke me up at 5:30 to pee. Luckily, it was like the sunrise, so it was really pretty. I mean, it's fine if she wakes me up to go to the bathroom, but it was a pretty view. Today, we're working on more of the wallpaper. Slowly but surely it's coming off. It's a very tedious job. Yeah, that's just so fun. It'll look great in the end. Great in the end. I just have to keep telling myself that. But I started planning on like what paint colors and stuff, what we want to do with the brick. I'm currently thinking that we should paint the brick navy blue, because right now it's just brick and I'm not sure it will match. And it has like some smoke damage and stuff from my great-grandfather. Putting on sunscreen, by the way. I'm using this Bliss Block Star Invisible Daily Sunscreen. Hello? Stella's right next to me. Hi. Are you in trouble? Huh? Are you having a good time? Here you go. walked along the coast of our island with our dogs and a couple of our neighbors. It's a few hours later and we're going on our friend's boat. Our boat is not in the water yet. Stella's inside. Been removing wallpaper. Just a bunch. Yeah. Fun. On our boat ride, we toured around this castle. After we got back from the boat ride, we got ready and headed to dinner. We went to one of our favorite pizza places that overlooks the water. I also accidentally spilled my salad. We got our favorite pizza, which is barbecue pulled pork with coleslaw on top. This is the wallpaper that I'll be using above the fireplace. It's peel and stick. So pretty. Then this is the room update. This is what we have so far. Such a pretty view. It looks like a murder scene in here, but that's okay. I'm gonna paint the brick. A ship. We had dinner. We were going to get ice cream. We waited in line for 15 minutes and the line did not move. So we got ice cream from the grocery store and we're going to eat that, but we're going to Sunset right now. So pretty. We leave tomorrow. Goodness, this. We went for a boat ride. That was really fun. It's very cold though. And been doing the walls. Right now we're vacuuming the floors because there's paper all over them. So, and Stella's running towards me. Hi! Hi, girl! She's having the best time. What a good girl Stella is. So peaceful and magical. Oh my gosh, my hair. I'm sitting on a rock and Stella's exploring right there. Sunset's behind me, my mom and Cora. Oh, good job, good job. Oh, get her. What's that food you gave her? Honestly, it might be. Oh, get her, Cora, get her. Oh, Stella, gentle. Okay, I didn't end up the vlog yesterday because we were so exhausted. We just kind of fell asleep after sunset. We watched a little TV and went to sleep. But we're heading out. It's 6:45 and that will be the end of the vlog. Last night we went to Wood Boat, which is a pizza place, and got pizza for dinner, and it was really good. And I got a salad and I spilled it on the floor because the table was super small, and we got a pizza to go, but they brought it out with everything. So there wasn't a lot of room, and I was like trying to get, yeah, so it just fell on the floor. Whatever, it's okay. They brought me out a new one, so that was nice. And 8-hour drive back home. Very exciting. Stella's already ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. It means so much.